YouTube channel 5 Minute Pediatric. Today I will discuss about developmental pediatric. It is one of the basic chapter. In this video I will go through fine motor development. I have tried to make it simple so that you can remember it easily. So starting fine motor development. In first month of life, the hand of the baby is predominantly closed and you can easily elicit grass reflex. Grass reflex can be elicited by stroking the palm on radial aspect, preferably between palm and forefinger. Now in second month of life, hands frequently open and there is only slight grass reflex. Remember it sequentially. Okay. Now in third month, hands come together in midline and try to bring hand to mouth and there is no grass reflex. So 3 looks like M and here M for midline and M for mouth. You can easily remember it. So if grass reflex is extended beyond 3 months, then some kind of pathology may be present inside the frontal lobe. In 4 months, baby try to reach the object but cannot reach it accurately and overshoot. In fifth month, there is bidextrous approach if we provide cube and baby try to reach the object accurately with voluntary grasp. In 6 months, there is unidextrous approach if we give the cube and there is ulnar power grasp as depicted in the picture. And if we give one cube, if the baby is holding one cube and if we offer another cube, then baby drops one cube and takes that cube. And similarly in 6 months, baby transfer one cube to another cube. In 7 months, baby retain the first cube when offered the second cube and there is radial palmar grasp as depicted as in this picture. 7 look like R for retain. Now 8 months we have Caesar grasp. Caesar grasp is just holding the object by using all 4 fingers against thumb. In 9 months, baby brings 2 cubes together and compare it. And in 9 months, there is mature pincer grasp. So before you can easily understand through this video how the baby approach bidextrous in 5th month, then unidextrous in 6th month and transferring the cube in the 6th month. And if we give the cube second cube, baby drop the first cube in 6th month and in 7th month baby holds the both cube together and 9th month baby try to compare both the cubes. Now before proceeding further, I have made this mnemonics. You can easily remember how the baby build up tower with cubes. In 12 month, tower of 2 cubes. In every 3 month, add one in 15 month, tower of 3 cubes, 18 month, tower of 4 cubes, 21 tower of 5 cube, 24 tower of 6 cube, 27 7 cube tower, 30th 8 cube tower, and 36 here we have 9 cube tower. So before going to further, we must understand what is imitation and what is copying. Imitation means making some model in front of baby, and baby also try to make it same. And copying means you are just showing the model fully, you made that model, and baby is asked to make that model. So in 1 year of age, baby can easily make tower of 2 cubes, and baby try to imitate scribbling. In 15 month, tower of 3, there is, if we give pencil, there is spontaneous scribbling. In 18 month, tower of 4 and imitates vertical strokes. In 21 month, just I have made the mnemonics tower of 5. In 24 month, the baby can make tower of 6 cubes and imitates train but no chimney. If we give pencil to the baby, baby can imitate horizontal line. In 30 month, the baby can make tower of 8 cube and imitates train, and he can add chimney also. 3 year, the baby can make a tower of 9 cube and imitates bridge. In this age, if we give pencil, the baby can draw circle also. 4 year, the baby imitates gates and copies cross and a square. And 5 year of age, baby can copy gate and copy triangle. So we have one more mnemonics. If we give pencil to the baby, here we have locks std 2 3 4 4 5 6 line, then 3 year circle, 4 year cross, 4 year square, 5 year triangle, and 6 year we have diamond. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, kindly give comment and opinion regarding this. I will try to solve your queries. Thank you for watching my channel.